Hey guys, and welcome to this weekly vlog. I am starting this weekly vlog off on a Tuesday. So yesterday was Monday. We went out and we got like dinner, and then we cooked dinner. Oh, I tried an enchilada for the first time. I don't know if that's cool or whatever. Tried an enchilada for the first time. I make them, me and my mom, we make them quite often. I don't eat them because I don't like beans, but I'm like, how bad could it be? So I just tried one yesterday and it was pretty good. Starting this vlog off on a Tuesday, and I just got out the shower, and I washed my hair because it's been a little bit since I washed my hair. Yeah, I couldn't take it anymore. It was just itchy and dirty and needed to be washed. So I'm not gonna do anything really to it. I'm gonna use leave-in conditioner. I'm going to blow dry it just like really rough, just so that it can dry a little bit, and then probably just braid it. That's it. It's raining outside, kind of stormy. It's like almost 6 p.m. and I just ordered Chick-fil-A on DoorDash, and I kind of feel bad because it's raining, but I left a tip. So hopefully that makes up for it. Just wanted to hop in because I'm trying to do weekly vlogs, and if I don't just pop in, then we're not gonna have a vlog. So hopefully this one is a little more exciting the rest of the week. Also, I just posted a reel today for the first time in like forever. So I posted on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So go follow me there. All of the links are in the description box, so follow me on Instagram. And if you do follow me on Instagram, leave a comment on any post saying that you are from this vlog, so that I know you're from the vlog, because that'd be cool to find out that you're from the vlog. I've been wanting to do like live streams kind of like on here, but I'm not sure about it. I'm gonna think about it a little more and see what I can like do on the live streams. But I feel like I'm gonna do like hair stuff on the live streams. Like right now while I'm doing my hair, I could be talking on TikTok, or I could be talking on YouTube live, you know? So, but yeah, also I've been posting back on Instagram, so just follow me. It's my Tuesday. Okay, so just for like a little backstory, I wanted to explain like the random disco balls that I got. So I'm like gathering all my ideas to redo my room, just like redecorate, and I thought of like putting disco balls in my room. So I went on Pinterest, and it's an actual thing. So I found like a picture that looks just like my corner where I would put them. And so then I saw some at Five Below, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I should just like get these, right? So that's the random clip of the disco balls. And I just held it up to the light for the first time in my room, and I just gasped. Like, this is so cool. So it's gonna be, I want to do like a whole room redecorating series. But this is just like a little sneak peek. So yeah, let me show you how this looks, because it looks crazy. Okay, ready? Look at it. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? Literally, oh my gosh. I love it. Hello, happy Saturday. Out with the family. Don't mind. We just ate lunch. Just had a new pizza. It was good. Ate at a new pizza place and it was good. And now we're gonna go see a movie. So walking to the movie theater. We're going to a new movie theater. Didi and I are gonna do a photo booth. Oh. Well, we might do a photo booth. She found $1. Our second time finding money. Popcorn. $1. Finally got your popcorn. We just got out of the movie and it's storming. It's storming. The movie was good. It just keeps on raining. We're about to make a run for it in the rain. Ready? Wait, it feels like it's picking up. Hands in your chest. No, I'm already. Huh? I'm already. Ready, set, go.